Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm coming to talk about rice water for rapid hair growth, and this is my rice. The rice has been washed already, so I'll be transferring it into this container that I'm holding here. So as you can see, the container is clean and I'm transferring my rice into the container. So I'm adding my water to the rice. So after I add the water to the rice, what I have to do is cover it up and leave it for 24 hours. So let's talk about some benefits of rice. Rice helps to replenish the necessary protein and keratin in your hair. This helps you to increase the growth rate of your hair. So leaving it for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, this is how my rice water is looking. As you can see, it has changed color. You can see that over here the color is looking much deeper. So all I need is my strainer, and here is my strainer. I'll be straining the rice soon. So you can see that the rice has fermented, so you can see some whitish thing on it. So I'm straining the water over here, and with the way it's looking, I have to strain it twice. So this is the first one. So after straining it, you can still see the white particles on top of the water. So I need my spray bottle over here, and this is the spray bottle that I'll be transferring the rice water into, which I'll use it for my hair. So this is my funnel, and now I'm coming to use the cloth strainer, which will help to take out all the white particles from the rice water, because I don't want those white particles to stain on my hair. So you can see me straining it here. So you can already see those white particles in the cloth sieve. So you can see all the white particles that I'm talking about. All is in the cloth sieve now. Otherwise, if I were not to strain it like this, all these white particles would have been on my hair. So now my rice water is ready to be used now. And let's talk about some benefits of rice water for hair. Rice water helps to replenish the necessary proteins and keratin in your hair. This helps you to increase the growth of your hair. It also helps reduce hair fall due to the added protein boosts your hair receives, making it more flexible and stronger. So you can see me spraying the rice water onto my cornrow hair. So over here I have to make sure I've sprayed it to all the necessary part that I want to grow my hair, and make sure my hair is soaked with the rice water. Every part of my hair. After spraying it, I make sure I'm massaging the rice water onto my hair really well. And rice water, we know, contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp and may encourage growth. So with this, you can use it 1 to 2 times per a week, but me, I use it every day. So after I spray, I need my shower cap, which I'll use to cover my hair, because with this I'm leaving it overnight. So I did this overnight till 14 days, and after 14 days you can see how my hair has grown. You can see the difference between now and when I started using the rice water onto my hair. And you know, we have something you can boil your rice, but the study also shows that when you boil rice water, it has pH of 5, which is too high to be used on the scalp. On the other hand, fermented rice water has low pH levels. It closes criticals and prevents hair damage. So after taking off my cornrow, you can see how my hair has grown so massively within these 14 days. I just love this remedy because it is so simple and quick. You just need one ingredient and you are good to go. You can see how massive my hair has grown. It has grown so thick and long. This remedy also helps you to grow your alopecia, and the rice we know treat hair loss and stimulate hair growth. So any part that you want to grow your hair, when you use the rice water there, it helps it to grow. Guys, thank you so much for being here once again. May God bless each and every one of you. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you and love you guys. Bye bye for now.